Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial video. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create a page on Facebook. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to click on the menu icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now once you click on menu, you can see this option called pages over here. You want to click on pages, and at the top you can see this option called create. You want to click on create in order to create a Facebook page. So I will do that real quick, and then you want to click on get started at the bottom. Once you do that, first it's going to ask you for your page name. So I will name my page Gamers Garage. So I will name this Gamers Garage and I will click on next. Once the name has been decided, it's going to ask me to choose a category. So it's going to be gaming. So I will write gaming and I will choose gaming video creator. And then after it's done, what I can do is click on create at the bottom, and a page will be created. Now just like this, a page with a name Gamers Garage with a category called gaming has been created. Now I have to fill this entire thing up like my bio. I am a gamer, so this is what other people will see. And over here on contact, I don't have a website, but I have an email. So I will write my email. After I write my email, I'm going to write my phone number. Once you write your number, you need to enter your location. So I will just click on location and enter my location. So my address is, and I will search for the town like this, and I will enter the zip code. And if you want to enter this business open hour, you can. If you don't, you can leave it empty. So click on next after you enter your information. And on the next step, it's going to ask you to upload a picture so you guys can customize how your page is going to look. I don't want to do that right now, so I will do it later. So I clicked on next, and it's asking me to enter a phone number. If I want to, I will, but I don't want to right now. I will click on skip and I will click on next. Click on next again, click on done, and just like this, my Gamer Garage page has been created. That's how simple it is to create a page on Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.